Hey everybody, Thrift Store Hacker back again, and as you can see, I made a trailer hitch on my bike for the DIY trailer. It's just a couple of bars connected to the frame and the mounts that I have for the ammo boxes there, and it should work out for what I need. And then I just ran this chain off the end. I created a simple mount on the trailer just by using a length of chain and a bolt, and when you tighten the bolt there, it tightens the chain around the bar and clamps down on the bar. This also makes it easy to move if you need to reposition it. I use the same type of mount for the hitch on the back of the bike, and it holds the trailer almost level and pretty well balanced. While working on this, I decided to add a little extra fun to it, and I added an electrical system to it. I have a 20 amp hour 12-volt battery right here, and that's being charged, of course, off of one of my 10-watt solar panels. So you can see here, it's a standard 10-watt panel. It's got a charge controller built into the back of it, and it sets perfectly on the basket. So it gives me a little extra electricity to charge whatever I need to. You can set this basket up to do just about anything you want when you go outside. This is set up with the grocery loadout, and I can still put my solar panel on top. And I can get two of the big canvas bags of groceries in there, throw a bungee cord over the top of it, and everything stays in pretty well. But there are all different types of loadouts that you can do on this. This is how I have it set up after coming back from the grocery store. I got roughly 3 bags of groceries because I got a bunch in my backpack, and the trailer held up quite well. This will probably be the most common loadout that I use. This is kind of the adventure loadout. As you can see here, I got a 6-pack cooler, and hiding in that little space behind it, let me tilt the camera in, is my extended toolbox. And then I have a canvas bag here with my lunch and a couple other things in it for shooting my next YouTube video. But it holds everything I need it to hold, so let's take it out and about. There we go. It doesn't look like anything's going to fall out. Let's take the trailer hooked up to the bike and head out. I went to go shoot the ride portion of this video, but the weather decided to turn on me. The wind came up, it started raining, couldn't get any good stable video. So, this is a ride of going to get breakfast the other day. I've been testing this trailer for about a week. It works great. And we're going to do one big video of going out and using every little thing on the trailer. Well, that's all I have for you today. Until next time, build stuff, have fun, wear a mask, and stay safe.